What's good, YouTube? Another year and another iPhone, and if you have a brand new iPhone 13, you might be wondering how exactly you can record the screen. This feature isn't available when you get the iPhone out of the box. So in this video, we'll be taking a look at a few ways of recording the screen recording feature on your iPhone 13. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So oddly enough, screen recording isn't activated by default on your iPhone right out of the box. It's usually accessed to the control center, which you can access by swiping down to the right of this smaller notch that we have on the iPhone 13. And as you can see, it's not here in my control center. To enable it, what you want to do is go into your settings app, scroll down to control center, and from here you can select which settings are available in your control center. You want to scroll down until you hit screen record, and you want to add screen record to your control center. From here you can access the screen recording feature simply by swiping down to the right of the notch, and you'll notice that the screen record option is now in control center. Hit this option and your iPhone will begin recording the screen. You can tell when the iPhone is recording the screen by this icon in the top left. Normally it's a different color, but when it's red, your iPhone is actively recording the screen. What you might notice when you access your screen recordings is that it won't necessarily record sound and or the microphone. However, you can enable this through the same means of going through the control center. So swipe down on control center, and now with your newly enabled screen recording button, hold down and you'll have access to a few more features for the screen recording. At the bottom, you'll notice that you can activate the microphone. Activate the microphone if you would like to enable sound with your screen recording as well. So there you have it, everyone, a pretty quick tip on how to activate screen recording on your iPhone. If you like this kind of content or found it to be helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.